Hello and welcome to Sierra Make. Today we are going to be playing with this thing right here. It is a blast furnace that my dad got off Craigslist for free. It came with the furnace itself, the torch, the crucible, and some tongs. The blast furnace is made of plaster and sand. My dad said it needs a new lid that he needs to make, but for now we're just going to play around with it, test it out, see how it goes. As you can see, we have it hooked up to a propane tank there, and we have some aluminum ingots to mess around with, so let's get to it.
Takes 15 to 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Dang.
Now, I kind of have no idea what's going to turn out, but,
You were able to make some of the little cupcakes, though.
yeah, I was able to make a bunch of cupcakes. Hurry up. Pouring.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to do it around in a circle.
In a circle?
I don't know, maybe in a circle.
It's cooking.
It is cooking. It's popping.
Boom!
Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. That's the...
Burn yourself.
This is, I'm going to put some more in.
I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Got this thing hot already. Might as well make the most of it.
Are you going to pour more into the bucket or
No.
just make some ingots?
No, I'm gonna melt some more ingots so then we can set up another one.
You have more Orbeez?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh.
More Orbeez.
Oh! I didn't even realize that was there.
Okay. I'm gonna start this back up. Probably just pour water in there and that'll cool it off. Well, ooh, look at that.
Weird.
Pretty warm.
These Orbeez are really firm.
Yeah, I know. They like didn't puff up all the way.
Good sink to the bottom.
Yep. Well, because there's water now.
The review. Oh. Whoa.
That's cool.
Hot.
Ooh. Wow, look at that. There's a rock in it. It's like a cup holder.
Is it hot?
No. Kind of interesting because I had the aluminum I use, and then now I put some of the other aluminum that came with it. Might give us a little different quality.
Oh, silence.
Just in time to see the pour. Oh, do they? Stay over here.
Yep.
Just trying to get down in the thing.
Am I blocking your view?
It's okay. Just when he moves, you'll move.
Your aim. Ooh, popping. Popcorn.
You know, I have a. I'm smoking more than the other one was.
Yeah, because I had the can. It's
Yeah, I
interesting.
think
It
this
just
one-
it funneled straight into the can.
Yeah, so this one went straight down, so I wonder how far down it went. If it went to the bottom of the barrel or not.
Do you want to pull the can out now?
So go ahead and get some
Pull
water
the
on it.
can. Pull the can out.
Well, no, just pour water through the top. Well, this is the burning plastic there.
Just bring the hose open.
No, that's so shallow.
You don't want to pull the can out before it completely cools?
Bro, it's already solidified, so.
What happened? It went all the way?
Because it smelled like burning plastic.
Well, Dad said that's what burnt the little the bucket over there.
Where was that?
Oh,
Oh.
stuck to the can.
Oh, you can burn your legs.
Popcorn. So it didn't stay in one piece.
I don't know, maybe this is
Oh,
it.
I see deeper.
I got to cut the can off.
Maybe I have a silver.
I think that is it.
Can I look for a pottery?
That's interesting.
No, Mom. He's got it. It's
All
fine.
right, all right.
Totally smell burning plastic.
Well, I mean, the Orbeez are plastic, so.
Oh,
that one might have a can attached to it.
See, who was the one who said, "Hey,
Gotta get the
would the
snippers.
can get it stick to it?"
Yeah, it actually put a little seam through it.
your cup.
Seems like it's coming off a little bit.
Yeah, you can tap it off. Or cut it. That's not a big loss.
Yeah, we're not attached to the can at all.
There's a bunch of cans too. Moved a little bit.
It did.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing that game. I'm doing this game.
I already played that game.
Really?
They're all under the ground over there.
Yeah. If you want to play 52 card pickup,
That's what I'm saying.
or in this case,
Oh, oh, oh.
You're better off just cutting it.
Let's see, it's almost